So finally the day has come. We're going to be painting this Ford Focus. This is actually Samcrac's Ford Focus RS. It's been a minute, but now we're going to go ahead and paint it. Now that we have the car painted, before we put everything back together, we're gonna go ahead and give it a nice sand because there is a couple imperfections in it. So we're gonna give it a nice sand and buff it out. Alright, so we got the car all buffed out, and now it's time to go ahead and start reassembling. We're going to go ahead and start off with the smaller stuff like the mirrors, the door handles, all these little moldings. So let's go ahead and jump on that. All right, so we got most of everything installed on the car. Now we need to put it on the lift, start reinstalling the bumper, and get the fender liners on. We got the car on the lift. Now we need to go ahead and remove both wheels and get the fender liners on. So we got both fender liners on. Now we need to reassemble this front bumper. We have the bumper all assembled. Now we're gonna go ahead and install it on the car.
So this is the thing. I told everybody I wouldn't start any new projects until the Focus RS was done. Well, I kind of got carried away, bought a couple other cars, but hey, the Focus RS is done thanks to vTuned. Also, the F250 is done thanks to vTuned. All our projects are cleared up so we can focus in on some supercars. Dude, get in here, what are you doing?
All right guys, that is gonna be a wrap for today's video. We got the Focus done, looks good. We still need to do a couple more little things to it, but that's gonna be later. We are also working on a new supercar build, so stay tuned for that. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like and hit the subscribe button and follow us on Instagram at vTuned and Samcrac.
Peace.